Alexa, stop music. Alexa, stop music. Alexa, stop music. Thanks, girl. All right, y'all, so step one when I'm getting ready for the club is to pick out what hair, what wig, what color, what style I'm gonna do for the night. I got a couple wigs that I keep in rotation. This is one of them. The blonde is like my favorite go-to. It's a middle part closure, so it's real easy to just slap on, throw a little glue on the top, and keep it smoking. This one right here, the purple and blue, I really like this one, y'all, but I don't know, for some reason I've never worn it to the club. I just feel like it's too short. I don't know, short hair gives me childish vibes. It's just probably a personal preference, but yeah. But when I work in the club, I be wanting like long flowy bundles. Like, I don't know, I'm real extra. I be feeling like that looks real sensual though, like when you have longer hair. So I only really wear this one like just out, or if I just feel like, you know, switching up my color or whatever. But I was trying to, you know, see if it was giving what it needed to give, try to switch up the part, see if the middle part was gonna do what I needed it to do, but it just was giving helmet on the head for some reason. So I was just like, maybe not today, because I don't have time to play with it and I don't have time to do it, and it just don't come out the way I want to. But it was still cute though. I really love this wig, y'all. I love the colors. I like how the blue and the purple came out. It's giving very much like Coraline vibes. That's how you say it, Coraline, the movie. And I'm messing with that because I might cosplay her, y'all. So I look crazy, but we're about to do a get ready with me. Today's New Year's. Of course, we're having a big New Year's bash at my job, so I'm about to get ready for that. I have no idea what outfit I'm wearing tonight, so I think I'm gonna do like a neutral, like smoky eye kind of thingamajig. I'm just kind of gonna go with the flow. So first, I'm gonna start off by priming my face. I'm gonna prime my face with the Milk of Magnesia again today, just because, I don't know, I like Milk of Magnesia, and I really like using it mainly when like nights like this where I know I'm probably gonna be sweating and stuff a lot. I think it's really good for nights like this because it keeps your face nice and like matte and stuff. So is this, no, it's my paintbrush. All right, so I need a bigger brush. Let me use this one. All right, so I really just layer it on my face, like nothing special. Layer it on my face. I'm thinking about making some transitions too, so I guess I'll be pausing like in between, or I'll probably just do like a time lapse to keep it nice and efficient with the time. And I do go over my lips a little bit because I am probably gonna do like, not a lip color, but I'm probably gonna wear like some like lip gloss. I'm not good at multitasking, as y'all can see, so I'm probably just gonna do a time lapse because I feel like if I keep talking, the video is gonna drag. So once your Milk and Magnesia starts to dry, you can go ahead and start working on your face and stuff. I always start with my eyes because my eyes is the part of my face that takes the longest. My eyebrows and making sure they're sculpted perfectly and evenly and shaded and clinked up right takes me a little minute. And then I do my eyeshadow because that takes me a little minute too. I just kept it real simple today. I did like a little brown, very light, neutral smoky eye. Of course, big dramatic wings because I am nothing without my wings, and I'm definitely nothing without the lashes to go with it. So yeah, I just did that. I decided to add a little glitter because it was looking a little boring to me. Like, girl, you going to the club, not fucking everyday life. Put a little motherfucking color up there. Like, I don't know. So I added a little bit more glitter and stuff just to give my eye a little pop. You know, something to keep them spicy, keep them excited. They really do like when I be doing glitter and stuff. Like, they really be liking my makeup. So I'll be like, let me do my makeup for my little customers because they like it. Anyway, after I did that, this is me just going through, making sure my eyelashes straight, clean out underneath the eyelashes to get like the excess glue and stuff. And then after I finish that part, the eyes is really the longest and the hardest part. This part is gonna speed by. I'm just adding my concealer to my spots in my face where I want to lighten. For everybody's face is gonna be different, but universally it's usually underneath your eyes. I always add my concealer in this form because this helps to give it a nice lift. When you drag it down into like a triangle motion underneath your eye, it gives it more of a bring down, like a sag almost. I don't know how to explain it, but this gives your eyes a really nice lift. Try your concealer like this, and I bet you like it. And if you do like it, you better come back to this video. You better comment. You better tell me that you like it because, I mean, somebody put me onto this, but yeah, this is like the best hack I've seen all year, like in a while. Anyways, so then I add my concealer to my other parts of my face that I would like to highlight. Of course, my forehead, my lip area, my little chin. Then I take a skin complexion concealer and I just go in and cover up my like darker marks or like my acne marks that I want to cover up on my face. The good thing about the Milk of Magnesia is it gives you such full thick coverage that you really don't even have to cover up any like dark blemishes or dark spots or anything like that. You could really just focus on like honestly just foundation, to be honest. Like I really felt like a lot of times when I was doing the Milk of Magnesia method that I was using too much makeup, like more than I needed. But you know, you live and you learn. Anyway, I'm buffing this out with a nice thick fluffy brush. I usually like to use like a little stouty brush. It's kind of short but fluffy at the same time, if that makes sense, because it blends really, really well. This is actually from Wet n Wild. If you guys want to purchase it, I purchased this probably from the Dollar Tree, if not the Dollar Tree, Five and Below, somewhere cheap, because your girl is frugal and y'all already know that. So I'm not spending too much on our brushes. Anyways, after I do my concealers and like covering up my dark spots, I usually go in with my foundation, and then of course I do my highlight and my contour process, which is my favorite part. Just gives me that nice chiseled look. As you guys can see, this is me covering up those little spots I was telling y'all about. The concealer I'm using is from Even New York. I forgot what shade it is, but it's really good quality concealer and I definitely recommend it. Now I'm just rubbing my foundation in, making sure it's even all around my face. After I do that, I do my little touching marks. You go, concealer, boom, 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 boom. Add that highlighter, boom, 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 little blush, boom, 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 boom. And she's almost finished. Like I'm adding the finishing details. Let's get them lips popping, boo. Where the lips at? Where the lips at? Where the lips at? But where's the lips at though? I don't know if I even showed the lips in my little clip, but yes, this is me doing all my finishing touch-ins. Yes, mascara underneath the eyes so that the eyes can really pop. Yes, highlighter on top of the lips so the lips can really pop. Here go the freaking lips. Go lips, go lips, go lips. And there we go. Finished results. Bad bitch, period. Look at that. Queen. Oh my God. Marry me right now. I'm buying her a ring, period. I'm buying her a ring. She's gorgeous. She's a queen. She's a goddess, literally. A goddess. Don't question the queen. You're a goddess. Yeah. Cutie. Smile. Yep. Whatever. Let's get it. So it's the end of the night and pretty much everybody has left. Yeah, I'm pretty much just waiting to leave. Tonight was okay. I'm gonna count my money when I get home and I'll show you guys how much money I made tonight, because I really don't know. I feel like I made like 200, maybe 300. We'll see. Let's hope for the best, prepare for the worst. Like, it's just Friday, so honestly anything I made tonight I'm probably gonna be happy about, because it's the fact that it's a Friday. But Saturday, honey, I'm going hard. When you see these goons in your backyard, just know I'm upstairs going hard. Something like that. Y'all know it's gonna be more. Yeah, I'm a little intoxicated, so. So I'm home now. Got this big ass pimple on my forehead. Still got my makeup on from last night. Well, this morning rather. But I made it home. I'm cooking now. Y'all, at Walmart I found these corn nuggets. And they're bomb. I literally love corn on the cob, but like this is like literally perfect. It's, oh my God, I love it. So I'm eating this right now as like my little snack while I'm actually cooking. On Sundays I like to cook like a home cooked meal kind of. So I'm gonna do vegan meatloaf, mashed potatoes, and roasted vegetables. So I'm using my Impossible meat for that. I did buy this originally to roast my vegetables with, but I've seen that it has cheese in it and I don't eat dairy, so I'm not gonna eat that. I actually like had to pour out, and I'm pretty mad about it because vegan butter is not cheap. It's not that crazy expensive, but it's like a little bit more expensive than regular butter. So like I don't be wanting to waste my vegan butter, if that makes sense. So I'm a little upset about that, a little bit, but it's worth the dedication for me. So I'm also making Brussels sprouts, and I'm gonna do half Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, broccoli, and carrots. As the vegetables, homemade mashed potatoes. I'm using my golden potatoes for that. I thought about doing baked potatoes, but I just feel like with meatloaf, mashed potatoes just like hit different. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna do mashed potatoes and then I'm gonna do my meatloaf. So yeah, and this is my first time actually having corn nuggets in a couple years. I'm gonna see if Marcelo likes them once they cool down. Hopefully he does, because he really likes corn on the cob, as y'all know. So hopefully he likes them. Let's get into it though. So these are my Brussels sprouts, all cut up in halves. So I already made, this looks really nasty, but I made, this is olive oil, butter, and then like a bunch of seasonings that I put together. Garlic, herb, garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning. It looks really disgusting, but hopefully this makes my vegetables taste really good roasted. I'm not used to roasting my vegetables, so this will be a first time for me. Alexa, stop music. Alexa, stop music. Alexa, stop music. Thanks, girl. Alright, y'all. So, obviously, it is the next day. What's wrong? You don't even know what's wrong. Like, just crying for no reason. Just emotional for no reason. What, the music? Yes. But I can't talk. I can't talk if I have the music up. They're not going to be able to hear me. Anyways, y'all. So, I didn't get a lot of footage last night because obviously it was New Year's Eve, right? And it was just busy and I was drunk, so I wasn't really worried about recording at all. So when I got home last night, I got home pretty late, like 6 or 7 in the morning, and I pretty much just took off all my clothes, wrapped up in my blanket, and laid on the couch. I always sleep on the couch whenever I don't feel like showering immediately after work, just because I don't want to put germs in my bed. But you know, I lay out a blanket on my couch and then like wrap up in another blanket, and then yeah. So that's what I did last night. I pretty much, as you can see, slept on my makeup. I did take my wig off in the car. That was the first thing to come off, but I slept in my makeup. And that's why I call this the 48-hour beat, though, because y'all see this beat? It's still giving. Like, I still could go another day with this if I wanted to, or keep this on and record today. But I think that's really nasty, so I'm ready to rip my lashes off and wash my face really good. So that's pretty much what we're about to do, is just take my makeup off. So I'm going to start with my lashes. Oh God, these are stuck. Ooh, this one's loosened. Perfect. And when I take my lashes off, I'm gonna go ahead and like clean them too. So I clean mine with one of these type of tweezers, and I just take it and grip, like I grip the line where you put your lash glue at and just pull on it. And then I get all of this like little gunk out. All the extra hair glue and stuff that might be left over. So that way when I do put my lashes back on, I have like a flat, clean surface to start with. That makes sense. So just, and yeah, I'm naked, by the way. I just, like I said, took all my clothes off and laid on the couch. And I just came upstairs to take my makeup off and stuff. There you go. Nice clean lash. Ready for the next wear. Probably gonna wear these again tonight. Let's get the other one off. Now, there is other ways you can get your lashes off. I could put some oil up here, but the only thing about other methods of getting your lashes off is they involve you getting oil or some type of remover on your actual lash. And I don't want nothing on my eyelashes because it makes them hard for me to clean. And I just feel like they don't never look the same after I wash them. Or they just don't have the same like dramatic effect afterwards. So I had to take my time with that one, and that was pretty much pointless because I think I still took some lashes out of my own eyes. So probably should have used a little oil to get that one off and just wash it afterwards. But this is a lazy day for me. I don't want to do a whole lot of shit because this is my second day, and I just know how I get. Like, after a Friday, I'm already tired. So tonight is going to be, you know, like, I'm going to be giving the last of what I got. And after that, I'm gonna have to rest up and recover. So, that being said, next we're going in with my favorite makeup remover, which is by Milani. Makeup removing melt. And I just warm it up in my hands and oh, I forgot to take my nose ring out. There we go. Whew. Now I'm about to go hop in the shower and wash this off. I want to wash my hair in the wash my face in the shower so I can really like wash it like I want to.